Welcome to MarineMax Houston. My name's Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to take you on a quick tour of our 2019 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. This boat's powered by a triple Mercury 350 Verados with a joystick control. As you can see, we're sitting on the Skyhook feature right now. It does have automatic built-in autopilot as well. Look towards the back of the boat. Some neat features on this particular boat. We've got an automatic push-button engine flush system. Just tie your freshwater hose into one outlet on the boat and it'll cycle through and flush all of your engines for you. Got electric outlets under the port and starboard gunnels for downriggers or electric reels. Big open cockpit, really easy to fish. As we get down into the bilge area here, there's easy access to all the systems on the boat. We've got some storage tubs down here, fuel water separators, batteries. Everything's nice and easy. Seacock's easy location for maintenance, cleaning, things like that. We've got two large fish boxes located down here on the floor. Easy access dive door located on the port side over here. We've got a freshwater shower over here as well as the starboard side, so whether you're getting in and out of the water on either side, you can rinse off, that kind of thing. Great place to bring in a big fish. Easy access on and off the dock as well. You see we've got our sure shade rolled out over the rear cockpit here. Provide some nice shade while you're out fishing, trolling, that kind of thing. Great bait prep area located on the back side of the leaning post. We've got a live well located here in the center. We've also got a second live well located in the transom. Bait prep area here for getting leaders, baits, things like that ready. Place for hanging tools, drink holders, and then a freshwater sink over here. Great work area down here in the bottom as well. Plenty of tubs and bins, places to put things, drawers, tools, things like that, tackle trays. And then we've got leader bags and prep areas up here which we can use. Makes it real nice and easy as you're getting ready to drop those lines in the water. Drop the lid down here. Notice we've got a ruler on here for measuring that big fish. Plenty of rod holders throughout, spreader lights. This boat does have outriggers on it as well. We work our way around the leaning post. Notice our raw water washdown. 65 quart Yeti cooler, which is on a track, so easy access getting in and out, whatever you may need out of here as well. Big 3-man bolster seats here at the helm, so everybody's got a nice comfortable seat under the hardtop. We've also got a pull-out step here located below. Plenty of drink holders up here. Nice big footprint for the custom electronics packages. We put up to two 16-inch displays in here, which we can interface, everything throughout as well. Joystick control, easy access to the controls here. Great view all the way around the whole boat. Start working our way up towards the bow. Just a fold-out trolling seat, which we've got one located on the port and starboard side. Easy access to the head compartment, which features a freshwater shower, vacuum flush head, some extra storage as well. Lots of extra room down below. This particular boat also has the easy up bow sunshade. So it'll drop the temperature degrees by 10, 15 degrees easy. Makes it nice and comfortable up here, whether you're hanging out in the loungers. Big sun pad up here. We've got shade style lounges on both sides. Built-in cooler down here in the floor. And we've also got a lot of extra storage in the coffin box up front. Another carry-on cooler, rod storage. Lots of extra places for tackle gear, things like that. This boat does also have the upgraded sound system with a subwoofer amplifier. Great way to spend time out on the water, favorite music, and have a great day in the 2019 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. Again, my name is Skip Pillsbury. Thank you for taking the time to take a look.